Today I am reviewing the WD Black 8TB SN850X NVMe SSD. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. This drive isn't just big, it's massive. With a whopping 8 TB of ultra-fast NVMe storage, you'll never have to choose which game to uninstall again. From AAA gaming titles to massive 4K video files, this drive is built to handle it all effortlessly. Let's start with speed, the lifeblood of any high-performance SSD. The SN850X delivers blazing fast read speeds of up to 7,200 megabytes per second. That's the kind of performance that not only slashes load times, but also makes your entire PC feel like it's operating in overdrive. Whether you're booting into your OS, launching an enormous game like Call of Duty or Red Dead Redemption 2, or transferring multi-gigabyte files, this SSD handles it in the blink of an eye. And speaking of gaming, this drive is purpose-built for it. The WD_Black dashboard software gives you total control, allowing you to toggle on-game mode 2.0. This mode intelligently optimizes your SSD performance by reducing latency and ensuring consistent speeds during extended gaming sessions. It can even auto-detect your games, so you don't have to manually set anything up. Under the hood, the SN850X is equipped with Western Digital's TLC 3D NAND technology. It's designed not just for speed, but for long-term reliability. So whether you're a power user who stores terabytes of 4K video, or a gamer who likes to hoard every title from every Steam sale, you can trust this drive to handle the load for years. Now let's talk about thermal performance. This SSD is available in heatsink and non-heatsink versions, and I highly recommend the heatsink model, especially if you're doing long gaming sessions or high-res video editing. The optional heatsink helps prevent thermal throttling, meaning your drive continues to perform at peak speeds without overheating. Combined with adaptive thermal management and overhead balancing, the SN850X intelligently maintains performance while keeping cool. This 8 TB version is ideal for professionals, streamers, or gamers who want the fastest, most future-proof internal SSD on the market. And yes, it's compatible with both desktops and laptops that support Gen4 PCIe M.2 2280 slots. Installation is simple, and once installed, it seamlessly becomes the heart of your PC's storage. Let's not forget WD's signature reliability and ecosystem. You're not just getting storage, you're getting trust. The SN850X is backed by a solid reputation, a high user rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, and is among the top 100 best-selling internal SSDs on the market. That's no accident. That's performance earned. In short, the WD_Black SN850X 8 TB is more than just a solid-state drive. It's a high-speed command center for your system. It's designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who want zero compromise between capacity, speed, and reliability. So if you're tired of deleting games just to make room, or if you're ready to take your PC performance to the next level, the WD_Black SN850X 8 TB is the upgrade your system deserves.